Hi everyone, and I'm back here with part 2 of storage media, which I basically go over a bunch of different formats of storage media, how they work, how much capacity they are, whatnot. So right now, it's a big mess, I know, but I'm going to go over all of them. We have some 3.5-inch floppy disks. We have 100 pack of DVD plus Rs. We have a mini DV videotape, a Hi8 videotape, and a Western Digital 120 hard drive. So we'll start here. This is probably one of the most common ones you've probably got before. Maybe. It depends. Like, anyone would want to buy these even if they're not. It just stores data. You plug it into your computer. You reformat it to your file system, or sometimes it's pre-formatted. Sometimes it comes up with backup software to help you keep backed up. One of the main purposes for these, I think, is so that you can have a backup. So that's pretty much it with this. I mean, it connects with USB, as you can see behind that door. This one's very portable. It's one of the small laptop drives inside there, I think. Now, this is just for storing data, nothing specific. Now, here are things you can use for video in the middle here. Mini DV tapes, Hi8 tapes, and DVDs. Now, this mini DV tape, as weird as it sounds, is actually digital, even though it's still a tape. It is a tape. It goes in your camcorder. Some camcorders, the camcorder I'm using uses memory cards right now, but I have a DV cam around and use it sometimes with these tapes. Now, Hi8 is an analog format. It is exactly the same size as 8mm and Digital 8, which is another digital format like this, but it's the same size tape. So if you have a Digital 8 camcorder, you can convert these tapes into your computer, which is nice. You can also wire. I know this might sound complicated, but it really isn't. You can have one of these camcorders for these tapes and have a mini DV cam, and then use that to digitally encode this so it can go into your computer. Now, the more modern form of video storage is DVD. This is a 100 pack. DVD plus R, I find, are the cheapest, the best combination of the cheapest and work the best. Somewhere around here I have a Fry's. Like everything in here, like there's some hard drives, external hard drives, like just to give you the example, some of the prices. This is an internal drive right here. I'll get to that in a second. That's an external drive like we talked about. There's some DVDs on here. As you can see, they're really cheap. 100 pack DVD plus or minus R for, you know, $9. Yeah, it's really inexpensive. Let's go into some very old floppies. Now, these I believe are somewhere around 2-3 megabytes. I'm not sure on that. Some of them have varying capacities, I believe. I don't have a drive to read this, so I'm not sure. This is like Windows NT 3.5 boot disk. A few more things, like the internal drive. These have various speeds on how you can read or write of them. They're SATA now, serial ATA. That's how they connect. They used to be IDE, which was a different connection. So anyway, it goes inside your computer. It's what comes in your computer. Most people don't worry about swapping them. They'll just get an external drive like this. Now there's also RAM or memory. Random access memory, which is to temporarily store files on your computer, which is why you load when your computer boots up. It's moving stuff from a hard drive like this one up to the RAM like these. If you have any other weird storage types that I have not mentioned, please post a video response.